Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Digitalization. The conference was entitled Digitalization and Education, which was authored by Jaime Casap, education evangelist and part of Google Education. Jaime Casap is Global Education Evangelist at Google Incorporated. Jaime evangelized the power and potential of web, technology, and Google tools as enabling supporting capabilities in pursuit of creating powerful learning. As we all know, as the world gets more connected, it gets more now operate on a global scale, and our job in education is to help learners to develop knowledge, skills, and abilities they will need to thrive in this new environment. We are preparing them to solve global problems we haven't defined yet. And using technology that hasn't been invented in roles that do not exist. To thrive in this new era, learners need to know how to learn, problem solve, and think critically in how to use digitalization. As you know, the era of digitalization and education, Jaime Casap defined the summit that the use of the language of computer science can be helpful, especially when we talk about working or having. The main purpose of this conference was to inform and guide us to the things happening in our lives, using the computer and technology, especially the use of language of computer science that will take place in the near future. In terms of digitalization and education, as per Jaime Casap, the author of this conference want to realize three things. First, what's next? Second, where are we now? And the last one and third one, what are the changes coming? Example on how to digitalize in workplace. According to him, it is digitalization and education. There are some cases that we use digitalization here in our works or jobs. And it was processed by technologies like computers and artificial intelligence. Example, given by Mr. Casap in the grocery nowadays, they are starting to put up machines that requires no cashier at all because he believes that the machine accept the money and the consumer will insert the money inside the machine, then it will release the receipt of what they bought in the grocery without hassle. At the same time, it can be used in the education with the process of using these platforms like usage of technology and requiring knowledge that enhances skills of the students or learners which they can use in everyday lives. These are the possibilities Mr. Jaime Casap seen in these many years in service working with the technology department. This also leads us to our realization that no technology can replace people. Because people are unique and we are highly smart, and these technologies used to help humans to have life and comfortable environment and learning.